So if you have an issue with speakers blowing out, especially the little small ones, I had learned specifically on this Mini Cooper, but other vehicles, manufacturers sometimes like to send all the bass to the smaller speaker, and it winds up overworking it, and then you have issues. And I was doing some research. There's these things called bass blockers. So pretty much all you do is add this to, I believe, the hotline, and it reduces that frequency that's going to want to damage the smaller speakers. So if you're running this in conjunction with a subwoofer, you let the subwoofer pretty much do all the heavy lifting and let the smaller speakers, I guess, hit the mids and the high points, and it'll sound better. I'm also running a little Vivor subwoofer in this vehicle. If you want to see a video on that setup, just let me know. But overall, I like the sound quality, especially for a little budget setup.